Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Imitation jewelry making is profitable business in the world. Business ideas with low investment and high profit is imitation jewelry making. Easily men and women can start the business in-house. With the rise of gold since the beginning of the current century, the demand for imitation jewelry around the world has increased. As the demand for the industry has increased, new horizons of employment have started. Not only the employment, is it possible to earn huge amount of foreign currency by exporting the industry. Imitation jewelry is made of copper and brass. These ornaments made of silver or copper are dipped in various chemicals and gold-plated in electroplating methods. Prices vary according to price, jewelry color and design. Honorable viewer, if you want to get an idea about the business of building an imitation jewelry, seize the full video. I think that seeing the whole video will be a good idea about emitting jewelry making business. If you have any question, you can comment below on this video. Finally, a request, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay with us.